Frizzy hairs are not always the result of humidity, like Monica said. Sometimes your split ends may be the reason for frizzy and clumsy hair. And at that moment, everyone gets crazy about split end trimmer. Well, this device may look the scariest to you at the first glance, but in long run, does it really cause any scary damage? Let's figure it out why we're claiming not to get split end trimmer. Who knew a little device for trimming split ends could cost so much? Yes, split end trimmers can be relatively expensive compared to other hair care tools. This may be a concern for individuals on a tight budget or who are looking for more affordable hair care options. If cost is a concern, a more budget-friendly alternative is to regularly trim hair using traditional scissors. This method can be done at home and is a more affordable way to maintain hair health. Split end trimmers are not always effective at removing all split ends. Yep, heard it right. Some split ends may be too small or too close to the root to be cut by the trimmer. In these cases, more traditional trimming methods may be necessary. This means your hands and the regular scissors will be your ultimate weapon. A more effective way to prevent split ends is to regularly trim hair using traditional scissors. And you can trim your own hair at home. Trimming hair every 6 to 8 weeks can help prevent split ends from forming and keep hair healthy. Split end trimmers can potentially damage your hair if not used correctly. If the device is not properly calibrated or if it is used too aggressively, it can cause hair breakage or other damage. Using a split end trimmer can pose risks of damage if proper precautions are not taken. Some risks include accidentally cutting too much hair off, causing uneven results, or even damaging the hair shaft. Additionally, if the trimmer is not used correctly or if it comes in contact with water or other liquids, it could cause electric shock or other injuries. Before using the hair trimmer, it is important to read the instructions, which include safety warnings. The device is intended to remove split ends and damaged hair while preserving the hair's length. It is not intended for daily use and water contact should be avoided. The hair trimmer is easy to use. Simply slide the spacer into the front housing, detangle your hair with a brush, select a small, thin section of hair, spread it into a thin layer, and place it on top of the hair plates. Then, guide the comb free of tangles and repeat these steps 3 times per section. Maintaining a split end trimmer is not necessarily a hassle, but it does require some effort to keep it in good working condition. Regular cleaning of the device, oiling of the blades, and replacing damaged or worn out parts are essential maintenance tasks that can ensure the longevity and effectiveness of the trimmer. Besides, split end trimmers require regular maintenance to keep them in good working condition. This may involve cleaning the device, replacing blades, or other upkeep tasks. On the other side, maintaining traditional scissors is much simpler than maintaining a split end trimmer. Simply keep them clean and sharp, and they will last a long time. If they become dull, they can be easily sharpened or replaced. A split end trimmer is a tool designed to trim and remove split ends from hair without significantly affecting its length. On the other hand, scissors are a more versatile tool that can be used for a variety of hair cutting techniques, including trimming, layering, and shaping. While split end trimmers can be useful for maintaining healthy hair, they are not a complete replacement for scissors. Scissors are necessary for more advanced hair cutting techniques and can also be used for other tasks such as cutting paper or fabric. Ultimately, the choice between using a split end trimmer or scissors will depend on the desired outcome and the level of expertise of the person performing the hair cutting. To sum up, split end trimmers can be a useful tool for those looking to maintain healthy hair, removing split ends without significantly affecting the overall length. However, it's important to keep in mind that split end trimmers may not be suitable for all hair types and may not be as effective as a regular haircut for more severe split ends. Additionally, split end trimmers can be expensive, so you'll want to consider whether the cost is worth the potential benefits. Ultimately, whether or not you should get a split-end trimmer will depend on your individual hair needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video useful.